Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Let's open this package together. We have here Asgard DDR4 RAM, 3600 MHz, 2 of 8 GB, total of 16 GB of RAM, Valkyrie labeled. We have a heatsink and RGB light, Aura Synchron, MSI compatible. Will perform well for gaming. Back of the box, we will find more details. You can buy this RAM from AliExpress. I will put its link in the description of this video. Also, I will include some coupon codes. Don't forget to use the store coupons as well. By clicking here, you can claim the coupons and use them. Okay, let's open it. I don't want to cut the box. Remove this first. Okay. Open this one. Very cool colors. Is we have the glove, of course, to stop the static electricity, to use them. We don't want to burn our RAM. Look, a high-end quality product. Okay. This paper have designs. Guard Valkyrie design. Here we can find two RAMs. Let's check out one. Take a closer look. It says CL18. Clock is a little bit high. But it's 3600 megahertz. The heatsink is metal, very strong. RGB light is here. Of course, we will need to remove this plastic. looks a high quality, solid piece of RAM. Check out the second. The same. Okay, let's put the RAMs on our computer. When you have two RAMs for your computer, make sure you choose the right channel. Get benefit from the faster speed of GL channel. We'll find labels here. If you can't find the labels, check your motherboard manual. For me, there is channel A and channel B. 2 stars indicate that I should put the RAM on the channel A slot number 2 and channel B slot number 2. Open the map. Let's put the first one. Don't push too much. Be careful to not break the RAM slot. When you hear the 2 clicks, it's done. Let's check RAM number 2. One click 2. Let's guys take closer look there. This is the RAM channels labels here. You have 2 slots of RAM only on your motherboard, don't worry. Now let's go to the BIOS. To enter the BIOS, turn on your computer while clicking on the delete key multiple times. Wait until you will get something like this. The U5 BIOS utility. Here we can find our 2 RAMs running at 2400 megahertz. We want to increase that. Let's go to the advanced settings here, or click F7 on the keyboard. Find out something like AI tweaking or something. Go to the AI overclock tuner. Change it from auto to DOCP or XMP depending on your RAM profile. Okay. You will see that settings has been changed. Don't modify anything else. You can go down into the DRAM timing control. You will need to calculate your DRAM settings. To do that, you'll need a program called the RAM calculator. You need to download it and install it on your Windows. It's better to search on YouTube for that, or don't touch it if you are not expert, because it's not that important. After that, click F10 to save the settings and reset. Go to your BIOS again to check if your settings has been saved. Don't care for this one because this show only the label of the RAM and not the actual frequency it's running. Go to F7 again. Here you will find the real frequency that is running right now. Memory frequency 3600. Total memory 16 gigabyte. You have problem booting your computer again after you changed your RAM settings. Remove the battery or reset the BIOS to its default settings and adjust to a lower frequency from here. Reduce your frequency to be able to boot. Maybe your motherboard does not support a higher than 3200 or something. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more, and goodbye.